Welcome back to the train channel. We have a light power train heading back to the freight yard. Let's check it out. Passing the 6 grain hoppers sitting over there. I think you're pretty much going to have to stop the freight work because there's going to be passenger trains coming up. Sense of this. There they go. There they go, heading back to the freight yard, possibly heading over to Perry, probably. So, alright, we're gonna get off and we'll get back on with the next train if there's any freight work. If not, it'll be a light power heading to Perry. Talk to you later.